Hi, and welcome to another Sassy Divas collab. So Sassy Divas is made up of Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem. She's the one who put us all together. And we also have Leslie from Hillbilly Creativity, Kristen from Krusty Kristen, and Emily from her channel, Emily D. So this month is New Year, New You. Leslie picked out that theme. But I want to let you know that this is a collab with all of us. So each month there is one of the channels will do a subscriber give back. So we each pick a semifinalist from each of our channels. We hand that over to the mystery hostess of the month. And then she puts those names on Wheel of Names and picks out the finalist. So I was not the hostess, so you will have to check the other channels and see. But in order to be a part of this, you do have to be subscribed to all of the channels. You do have to leave a comment on all of the channels and hit the like button. For me, I just say come back and tell me that you are subscribed to all and you've commented on all. That's all I need to know, because I don't deal with secret words. Everybody knows what they are. And this way, if you say you're subscribed to all, I got to check, but 9 times out of 10 you are. And you must also have a mailing address within the continental US. YouTube has nothing to do with the subscriber give back. It's simply from us to you, nor are any of the products that I discuss or that they discuss affiliated with this give back in any way, shape, or form. So all the rules are down below. Check them out. We do a 2-week period and then we announce at our next month's video. And we drop our videos once a month on the first Sunday of the month. So, New Year, New You. What does that mean to me? I don't know. I kept racking my brain. Like, what does that mean? I'm not really sure. So I thought I would interpret that kind of as maybe some new looks, right? Trying some new looks, things for maybe hooded eyes and mature skin. So I was watching some different techniques over the weekend, and I film in advance. So I'm filming this on the Sunday after Thanksgiving. So I spent, this weekend when I had free time at the end of the night looking up different techniques. So I'm going to try one. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we're going to try it together because I think trying new techniques is always a good way to have fun. Well, I'm going to go with this Natasha Denona palette then. And I did have this because there were colors in here I definitely wanted to use. So one of the things that I saw was looking at, when you look straight forward, kind of starting to dot around here and then blending it together, because you're seeing less, when my eyes are open, less of the lid. So we want to extend that out. So I've gone ahead and wet my brush a little bit, and then I'm going into this shade right here, which is the darkest. And then we're just going to look straight ahead. And I'm looking straight ahead into the mirror, but I've also seen this done with a lash curler, but I don't know if I have any here because I don't really use them. They seem like medieval torture devices to me. Okay, so now we have this line here, which is going to show me kind of where I want the shadow to go to. So I'm going to take this somewhat densely shaped brush and go into this right here. I'm going to take this P. Louise eyeshadow primer, and a little bit of primer goes a long way. And I'm just going to brush that in. Okay, now with the eyeshadow, then I'm going to come back in with that brown again. And what I want to do is get right on the lash line here. Then next I'm going to take this light color right here, and I'm just going to come in to the inner eye, just like that. All right, next I have that silver and pink. And I'm just going to come in and kind of pat those in. Then I'm going to come in with a brush, and I just want to kind of brush this out, getting rid of any of those harsher edges. Then I'm going to go back to that brown, but with this brush here, just to darken up this outer area. Then I'm going to come under the eye. So I have this brush which has a little bit of a point on it. And I'm going to take that shimmery pink, then back into that dark brown, and then a fluffy brush for up here. And I think I'm going to take that dark brown, but because it's a fluffy brush, it should be nice and light. Then I want to come in and do some tight lining with this Thrive eyeliner. It has a little sharpener on the end, so I just wanted to go in and sharpen that a little bit. And then it also has a smudger should you need it. Then for the mascara, I'm going to do the double with the fluffier brush and then the thinner tubing mascara. All right, so there's the Sicily. I hope the lighting is good enough here. I've tried adding extra lighting. Here is that Thrive. And I have this little comb in case it looks too clumpy. All right, so the difference. And here's that brush on the Sicily. I don't think I showed you that. Next, I'm going to come in with this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil. Right, next, I'm going to come in with this Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Bel Air. And then I'm not going out all the way to the end because we don't want to make that little droop there any more pronounced than it already is. Then I have this Jeffree Star Lip Arousal. I don't know the shade. I can't read. It's so tiny under there. Didn't bring my glasses in. But this is actually a gloss. Then I'm going to top that with this Glam Light. It's like a gold sheer with some gold speckle in it. And there is my final look. And tell me your thoughts. What do you think? This is something I would definitely wear every day. I do like how that came out with lining this part of my lid to make sure that I got a little bit of depth in there. So I did really think that that was a good technique for hooded eyes. Now, my eyes are hooded. They're not super hooded, but they're hooded enough that I do lose space under there. And by doing that, it actually creates the look of more space and less hooding. So I do like that. All right, so that's all I have. But tell me, in the new year, what kind of looks do you want to see us do? Give me your feedback down below, and I will give that feedback to the rest of the ladies too, and we can definitely put them on a wheel picker and do that. So let me know down below, what are some good ideas for next year? What do you want to see us do? You want to see us do some crazy looks? Let us know what kinds of crazy looks. If you want to see us do more everyday looks, you know, going grocery shopping, going to work kind of looks, picking up from I don't know, picking up your dog from the, dog park, dog sitters. I don't know. My mom watches my dog, so, you know. But whatever it is you want to, maybe picking up the kids or the grandkids from daycare, what kind of looks do you want to see? Let me know. And maybe one of yours will be chosen for the new year, and we will definitely give you a shout out. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.